a lifetime. 1,000 days have passed by since I held you close to me. If I could see that smile from my friend, I know that I could live again. I need you here with me. Heaven knows what to say, even though for right now you're so far away. I hope and I pray somewhere in your heart I'll always stay. Girl, maybe the sun doesn't shine without you. Heaven knows what it feels like to be without you. Feels like I took my last step and my last breath in my life is ending. Had to say just what I was feeling, girl, 'cause my sun doesn't shine without you. This is more for me than for you. Girl, I finally see there's no substitute for what we had. Do you know how much I love you? And what we shared, I can't forget. Girl, a love like yours, I'll never let just slip away. Just promise that you'll stay. Heaven knows what to say, even though for right now you're so far away. Gonna tell you and show you, do whatever I can do to get back to you. Yeah. Girl, baby, yeah. Without you, baby, never noticed, feels like to be without you, babe. I took my last step, my breath, and my last indeed. Had to say what I was feeling, girl. 'Cause my sun doesn't shine. So come back and turn my nights into day. Girl, maybe my sun doesn't shine without you, babe. Never noticed, baby. Feels like to be without you, baby. I took my step, my breath, and my feeling, yeah. Had to say what I was feeling, yeah. My sun doesn't shine without you.
Happy anniversary. Remember the shirt? Yan. Alala mo siya? Diba yun yung suit ko nung muna tayo sa thrift food, right? Na yun. Happy anniversary ulit. Nabasa mo ba yung video? Sana na-appreciate mo. For sure, hindi ka na magpapakwento kasi andun na yung summary ng kwento natin. Tsaka, sana, sana masaya ka ng anniversary natin. Nakakaiyak, diba? I miss you. Tsaka, alam mo bang, I will wait for me. Tsaka, meant to be tayo, diba? Nagpapakabata na naman ako. Sana, huwag ka man-chicks din ako ng pwede, ha? Baka bait ka. Joke lang. Ang dahil dito. Ano ba yun? Yung sa work mo, parang siya nga, kakarating mo lang nung galing sa inyo, tapos mag-work ka naman bukasan. Matuto ka naman magpahinga. Tsaka, sige ka, gagala ako ng gagala pag hindi ko nagpahinga. Yung Xbox mo, ayusin mo, ha? Ayusin mo. Huwag ka masyadong makulit. Tsaka, be always great. Ayun. Tsaka, pakabait ka lang parate. Hintayin ko pag-uwi mo next year. Sana matuloy ka. Sama mo si Juan. Si Tu pala, I mean. Natay siya ni Che. Ayun. Sayo tayo. Joke lang. I love you so much. Sana, stay great. Stay happy. Stay smiling. Tsaka, ayun. Pakabait ka lang, ha? Huwag ka man-chicks dyan. Huwag ka mag-alala. Hindi rin ako man-chicks. Mabait ako, eh. Advance Happy Valentine's Day na rin. Ayun. I love you so much. Ayun. Basta, ingat ka parate, ha? Alam mo bang, ito, totoo na to. Kung dati, diba, mahal yung plane ticket sa Pilipinas or pabalik ng Pilipinas. Ngayon naman, ito, totoo na. Mahal pumunta dyan. Kaya dito na lang ako, antayin na lang kita. Pero ito, totoo na. I love you so much. Bye! Ito, rareto mo kay, diba? Kay Tu. Kaya, kay Tu. Wag mo. Ito, magsasalita siya. Kamusta?
Ayoko. Sabihin ko, Ricky, papayat ka. Taba mo eh.
Oh, hindi. Macho yan. Dali na. Kamustahin mo si Tu?
Oy, Ricky, Tu.
Ricky, si Tu, dali. Kasi kung Juan, ang pangat naman, diba? Kaya Tu na lang. Ikaw yung Juan. Ay!
Juan and only.
Ulul. Dali na.
Hindi man kami gusto.
Kamustahin mo, syempre. Sabi mo yan, eh.
Ha?
Mapangit. Dapat English na lang, ha?
Ricky na lang. Ben, happy anniversary sa inyong dalawa. Yun. Kahit na dami nangyari sa inyo, tapos ang layo nyo pa sa isa't isa, tapos parang umabot kayo ng 1 year. Nakakaingit. Yun.
Huwag kayo mag-alala, magiging 2 years na ngayon. Only 2.
Yun. Good luck dyan. Good luck sa studies. Huwag masyadong pakabusy sa work. Enjoy mo din yung pag-stay mo dyan. Nakayakan, di ba? Yun lang. Pakabait ka. Huwag mo kami kakalimutan dito. Tsaka, aantayin ka namin next year. Aantayin ka namin. Pasalubong ko madaming chocolate, ha?
Hindi.
Pasalubong ko si joke lang.
Yun lang. Basta, I love you so much, ha?
Mag-I love you din ba ako?
Hindi, ako lang. Kaya pineda na din.
I love myself.